Look at Mommy. Weston. Say hi, Kieran. Good morning. I'm walking. We're wearing our new PJs you got us. We had the pants on last night, but they were wet this morning. And I've got a bit of a cough. It won't go away. You can pray for us. Wes? Weston, come here. Come to Mama. Come here. Come to Mommy. Weston, come to Mama. Yeah, bring Mommy the socks. Come here. Come here. Good job, buddy. Can you wave to Kieran? Can you blow her a kiss? Good boy. Turn this way. Where's Mommy? Blow Kieran a kiss. Blow her a kiss. Oh, we're just busy. We love you.